If you are using the Microsoft Office 365 version of Microsoft Teams, then you can go around and share out your screen and turn on the presenter mode. So to do that, first of all, you need to turn on your camera right here. So you can see that my face is here right now, just like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on share now, and then I'm going to click on standout mode right here. That is in the presenter mode, and then click on the screen right here. So once I do that, what happens is that my screen will be shared, and you can see my face over here at the bottom as well. So this is what the other users will be seeing right here. So you can see that this is the view right here, and you can change around the position of your face over here as well. So let me just go around and minimize, and you can see that you see my desktop over here, and then you see my face over here as well. So I can place myself at the right or left right here, and increase my size, as you can see, and decrease the size as well. So just like this, I can go around and start explaining to other people on what I can do on my desktop right here and so forth. And then you can see that it makes it very, very interactive. So that is how you can turn on the presenter mode while you're sharing out your screen inside of Microsoft Teams. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.